Winter is coming. Let's talk about how you should prepare for it. Building a wall probably won't help though. Number 1, test your winter equipment. Nothing is worse than losing power in the middle of the night and discovering that the generator isn't working. Be sure to check all your winter equipment for issues before the weather hits, and don't forget that ice scraper in your car. Number 2, clear your trees. Make sure to check the trees in your yard to see if there's a possibility they could fall on your home or your neighbor's fence and yard. Take advantage of the junk removal days in your neighborhood to put big branches on the curb. Number 3, check for drafts. Did you know that heat loss can be about 30% of your energy usage? Check to see if you have window drafts by using a piece of paper and trying to slide it under the door or window. If it slides easily underneath it, update your weather stripping. I hope these few tips help you protect your home this winter. If you have any suggestions, drop them in the comments. If you're ready to move into a home that's ready and prepped for the colder temperatures, then just reach out. I'd love to help you connect with an agent who can help you find your dream home. Thanks so much for watching this week's video. Make sure to like and share and tag a friend. I'll see you on the next one.